what can be earthquake in September 30, 2025, Cebu Caritas, in close coordination with the Archbishop, launched legal relief and rehabilitation initiatives such as Adaptive Parish and Hatak Paglaco, which have raised over 41 billion pesos. Ang napagpapagin, we were able to assist 21,000 families in Northern Cebu affected by the earthquake, and also reach out over 24,000 affected families of Typhoon Nino and Atlantic. Bisan sa mga biktima sa dynamic tragedy, we were there, providing relief, financial aid, and psychological support to grieving families. We remain grateful, of course, to all our partners in mission, bishops, priests, and parishioners all over the country, LGUs, NGOs, private institutions, local and international funding agencies. Beyond disaster response, Cebu Caritas continues its regular programs in healthcare, education, and social advocacy, while strengthening parish Caritas networks to better reach communities at the grassroots level.